Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how my notes, that how I prepared for UGC NET December 2025, where I cleared JRF. And so let's start. First of all, what I did, that these are the most important Indian accounting standards. These are the notes of accounting subject. Here you can see that this is presentation of financial statement. This uh, this came in 2024, and here you can see inventory. Here I wrote that it came in 2025 and also 2024. Okay, here you can see I marked star, like property, plant and equipment. This is most important, like it came 24 and 25. Okay, so I wrote all these things. Here you can see. Okay, so next what I did, that these are the questions of accounting from 2018. Okay, here you can see 2019 questions, like 1 2 3 4. Here you can see these are the method of purchase consideration. It is most important. Here you can see from 2020 I wrote it, and here 2021 you can see these are the questions that came. And here you can see in 2022. And what like I know that this question came in 2022 and also in 2021, so I wrote here only by marking that it also came in that year. Okay, here you can see 2023 questions. Okay, next here you can see 2024 questions. Here you can see 9 questions. Okay, so I did this thing. And maybe you can think that it is totally stupidity, like how you wrote, how much time you have wasted. But I'll tell you seriously that I wrote it. And like it was very easy for me to identify which section and which part of the syllabus is most important. And most of all, in my preparation I did PYQs. Okay, here you can see the 2025 June 2025 questions. Okay, here I wrote, I did like a MPPSC 2025. I wrote this because I want diversification. I want different questions in my preparation. That's why I wrote this. Okay, so these are my accounting notes. And if you want some other notes, okay, I am going to show you. Here you can see statistics notes. These are the statistics notes. Here you can see I'm going to show you each and everything. Here you can see, like from 2018 I did all the PYQs at the time. Like not all, not completely, but most of the questions I did. Okay, here you can see 2018, 2018, 2019. Okay, next you can see 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. And here you can see 2024 questions. And you can see that this is chi-square. It was at the time I found that it was very important. That's why I wrote everything here only. Here you can see 4 5 6, like these are the questions that came in 2024. And here you can see 2025 questions, June 2025. Here you can see again June 2025 questions. Okay, so here I also add HPSC 2019 question. Like I told you that I want a different question. That's why I wrote it. So here you can see, like in my preparation, most of the what I did PYQs. And this UGC NET paper is you can imagine that 25% or like 5% questions repeated. Not repeated, I'll not say that questions are repeated, but what I'll say, that the topic or the concept, it is like very easily. If you are doing 5-year PYQs, then usually you can crack NET. And if you want to crack JRF, then you have to understand the syllabus, you have to understand the PYQs, and you have to understand that what types of questions are asking from the PYQ. So this was my strategy. Okay, so if you want more videos on this, then I can make, and just write down in comments. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.